In this video, I'll show you how to add a remarketing tag in Google Ads. First, sign into your Google Ads account and click Tools, then select Audience Manager. This is where you'll manage your remarketing audiences and tag settings. Next, click your data sources and locate the Google Ads tag. If you haven't set up remarketing before, click Setup Tag to begin. After that, choose whether you want to collect general website visitor data or specific actions that visitors take on your website. Then click Save and Continue. Now, Google Ads will provide your remarketing tag. You can install it directly on your website or through Google Tag Manager if you're already using it. Next, copy the tag and add it to every page of your website before the closing head tag. If you're using Google Tag Manager, create a new tag, paste the Google Ads remarketing ID, and publish the container. After that, return to Google Ads and verify that the tag is active. It may take some time for Google to detect website activity and start collecting audience data. Once the tag is working, create a remarketing audience based on website visitors, product viewers, cart abandoners, or other user actions you want to target. Finally, use those audiences in your campaigns to re-engage people who have already visited your website and encourage them to return and complete a purchase or conversion. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a remarketing tag in Google Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.